Hello class, welcome to math. Today we're going to talk a little bit about line graphs. Right here is a line graph. We've been doing the other kinds of graphs in class, but it's time for us to move on because you're all doing so well with that. What we're going to do is talk about how you gather information and put it on these line graphs, and then how you can read them and what it tells you that a bar graph doesn't tell you. You see that clear enough? Now, all of you are very good at finding, they call it coordinates. For instance, if you go to 7 a.m., get in here closer, sorry. If you go to 7 a.m. and then you follow the line up to where it comes to the dot where the data mark is, that was the data they had collected. Then you go across this way and it says that at 7 a.m. the temperature was 50 degrees. Now you are all expert at that from playing Battleship. That's why we've been playing Battleship, is to help us be able to find those intersections, those places where they meet together on a line graph. So now that you're expert at that, let's take the information and see what we can find, what we can do with that information. Our first question is, what was the temperature at 7? Oh, well, we just did that. We went to 7 o'clock, we followed it up, and there where the dot is, we went across, and we found that it was 50 degrees. The next one is asking us what was the temperature at 9. The process will be exactly the same. You'll go to where 9 o'clock is, you will go up to where the dot is, then you go across, and it says that it's 65 degrees. Now it's asking a different kind of question, and this is where line graphs are so wonderful, is this question is asking us during which 1 hour interval was the increase in temperature the greatest. So these are all 1 hour increments. The interval or increment is 1 hour, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9, and 9 to 10. So now it's asking between which one of these did the temperature rise the fastest. That's an interesting thing to think about. From here to here, it went one full square. From here to here, it went from 45 to 50. The same is true on here. It went from 60 to 65, and then from 65 to 70. So those are 5 each. But this one, if you notice, is more steep. More steep. It goes more straight up. And if you notice, in 1 hour, it went from 50 to 60. It's gone twice as far. So you can easily tell by looking at this that right through here is when the temperature increased the most quickly. All right, there is no assignment for tonight. Please just be sure you can read these for finding information. It's a little different than our playing Battleship. This time we're going to look at it to see what information we can get off of that line graph and understand. And then I will see you in math tomorrow. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.